Today we're doing times table. In this video, I'm going to show you guys tricks and tips for the 6 times table. First, draw 2 big boxes and divide them into 9 like this. And draw a line under each box. Then, write the numbers 1 to 9, starting from the bottom column to the top column. 1, 2, 3, again, 4, 5, 6, again, 7, 8, and 9. And then 0. Do the same on the bottom box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 0. Now, in the first row, write the number 0. 0, 0, and 0. On the second row, write the number 1. 1, 1, 1. On the third row, write the number 2. 2, 2, 2. And then the line by 3. 3. Now, on the second box, write the number 3. 3, 3, 3. On the next box, write the number 4. 4 and 4. And on the last row, write the number 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, and a 6 on the bottom. 6. Now, it's going to be a little bit complicated, so please listen to what I'm saying. Now, let's write a diamond. So, a diamond in the first box and a diamond in the second box. Now, take all the numbers where the diamond points row by row and connect it with the 30 and 60. That is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and then 42, 48, 54, and 60. See, the 6 times table is done. Easy, isn't it? Now, do you notice anything in the 6 times table? Yes, it's the same as the 3 times table. Look, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. And this is just the continue of the 3 times table. Hope you enjoyed my video and helped you understand the 6 times table. Please follow, like, and subscribe my videos. Bye-bye. Catch you later.